Hey everybody, have you ever wanted to single out a certain chatter, like maybe pick somebody at random for a giveaway or just a shame or something like that? Well, have I got a widget for you? Today I'm going to show you how to set up the chatter wheel widget. If you watched any of these videos, you will know that I like to make a new overlay. This step is optional, but I do it for the video. So once you get a new overlay, you'll click on the big plus and then you'll go to custom widget. Then you'll pop open the editor. And now it's time to go get the files. We are going to be going to github.com/swolecat/se widgets. And today we will be in the chatter wheel folder. So now I will go into the files and I will click the copy button. I'll go back to the editor and I will go ahead and paste the contents. And done. If you did it right, you should see the fields change. There'll be a lot more out there. So I'm going to make this widget bigger. I'm going to uncheck the ignore broadcaster. I'll say spin chatters. And so how this works is it's based on the number of minutes that people have been in chat. So you don't get people who haven't chatted forever and ever. If you want that to be forever and ever, put a ridiculously big number here and then you should be good to go. So I'm just going to type something into chat. And then we can go ahead and spin the wheel. Spin chatters. You'll see that I'm the only person in the wheel because I'm the only person who is chatting in my chat at this point in time. And you can see, surprise, surprise, I have one. And you can hear the audio from it. Now, if you don't want to have the TTS, you can turn this off. Here in the display, you can change the size of the wheel and all that other stuff and how long you want it to stay up after the win. And then you can also add certain weights for if people are a sub, VIP, mod, or anything like that. But it will dynamically calculate the wheel based on all your chatters. I hope you guys found this widget useful. I will see you guys later. If you have any questions, stop on by my Twitch stream or leave a message in the comments. I'll see you later.